Hello, Cha. Happy birthday, baby. Parang kailan lang, hindi ka pa nag-iwan, mami mo. Ngayon, laki-laki mo na, daraga ka, madibo na. Sana dyan ang paano.
Hello, Ate Chacha. Kamusta ka na?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello.
Hello, Chacha. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ate.
Chris!
Happy birthday. Hi, Ate Chacha. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko po sa iyo ay sana maging helpful and smart and beautiful girl.
Oh.
And miss na po namin kayo so much. Kayo pong lahat nila tutulogin. At sayang po kasi wala kami sa 18th birthday niyo sa debut. Pero okay lang po. Magsasama-sama po tayo. Bye-bye!
18th birthday mo na. Happy birthday sa iyo. Wish ko na lumaki kang mabuting bata, mag-study kang mabuti, at maabot mo sana ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Magtapos ka ng pag-aaral, sana hindi ka muna mag-boyfriend, at wish ko na kung ano man ang mga gusto mong marating sa buhay mo ay maabot mo. I love you. Happy 18th birthday.
Hi Cha! Happy 18th birthday! I know your mom and dad prepared something really great for your birthday, so just have fun. If you're still thinking about that hashtag best gift ever, know that you already have them with you, right there with you. Your parents and your family. And of course, your friends. Walang gift si Tito kasi nandito kami, but what can I give you are advices. If you want something great out of life, just work hard. Always give your best in whatever you do, and have the mindset that if you think you can, you can. Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday, Cha! If you can dream it, you can do it.
Good luck on your driver's test. Enjoy your day, enjoy your youth, and we'll always be here praying for your success. Happy birthday. We miss you.
Stay foolish, make mistakes, and learn from it.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.